This is completely anecdotal. Beautiful, the cruise ship is my happy place shirt, but I feel like celebs are rather quick to marry. Maybe it's just me, but most people I know go through several relationships in their lives, but usually won't be. Beautiful, the cruise ship is my happy place shirt. Tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt, hoodie. He didn't leave Katie. She left him. More like organized a prison break by secretly hiring lawyers all over the country, but yeah. She initiated the divorce. Still, it's pretty interesting. Paging Dr. Freud. This is a lot less bad than the headline makes it out. Hell for a famous movie star that's never been caught in some random hookup scandal, aka pit. This is actually pretty not bad. I vote that beautiful, the cruise ship is my happy place shirt. He shouldn't marry again. It just seems right that he's broken up with 3 33-year-olds. Other products.